So I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. We're gonna try to turn it into a knife. You know, there's a common myth amongst metal workers that files should only be used in one direction. Turns out that's not true. Works a whole lot better if you do it in both directions. Now it's time to harden it. When you get high carbon steel glowing hot and then cool it down suddenly, it becomes harder. So after you quench the knife in the snow, you test it with a file to see if it's the right hardness. I like it. I think it'll work just